Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by preparing your iPad so the battery check goes smoothly and reliably. Open Settings and tap General, then about to confirm your iPad OS version. Update to the latest iPad OS if an update is available and you have Wi-Fi and power. Back up your iPad to iCloud or to a computer before you run any diagnostics or use third-party tools. This ensures you will not lose data if you need service or a restore later. If your iPad supports battery health, open Settings and tap Battery to begin. From Battery, tap Battery Health to view the maximum capacity percentage and the peak performance capability status. Read the maximum capacity number. It shows current battery capacity versus original capacity in percent. The peak performance capability line tells if performance management is applied. Record the percentage and any recommendations shown so you can decide whether to monitor, calibrate, or seek service. If battery health does not appear, you have reliable alternatives to assess battery condition. Enable Settings, Privacy Analytics and Improvements and Share Analytics, then read out battery cycle count and capacity lines in the analytics data. Or connect the iPad to a Mac and run a trusted tool such as Coconut Battery to view cycle count and estimated capacity. If maximum capacity is noticeably below 80% or the device shows repeated unexpected shutdowns,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.